Good evening everyone and welcome to Grow More channel. Today this will be an update video, as yesterday I posted one video regarding Hindustan Copper share price, and at that time it was trading at something 130, no, yeah, it was trading at something 129 rupees. And I made some recommendations in yesterday's videos telling ki you can enter at this stock at this price, it can be a good move. And today it rallied almost 13%. um, you can check the previous video which I uploaded just here at 129 price I uploaded, and now the stock price is 149 rupees and 20 paisa. In that video I also told ki the first target will be 150 rupees and I am quite surprised that my first target came very quick, within just one day it came. So yeah, the stock today made a high of 152 rupees and 55 paisa, and our first target is complete. But still you best we can hold this stock because it's looking very good on charts as well as on fundamental basis. I want to share you some good news regarding Hindustan Copper, and if you are Hindustan Copper investor, I'm sure you will like that news. Okay, so yeah, the Hindustan Copper rallies 12% amidst disinvestment. So the thing is, the government is planning for disinvestment process, and I think it's a very good thing. So Niti Aayog, as you can see in Economic Times article is there. So the government is the ET now reported that disinvestment process in Hindustan may begin the upcoming month. So this is a very good news and positive news for the stock, as well as the government or Ministry of Mines is planning for a disinvestment in the upcoming month. So this month is gonna be very good for Hindustan Copper stock, and yes, we will be holding this stock until it looks good on our charts. So let's see what else is there. The government still will sell the majority stake will be given to private players, but the government will hold the minority stake in its. Yeah, it's cool, pretty cool. And Niti Aayog has recommended full disinvestment of Hindustan Copper, in which the government holds 60.4% of the stake. So 60.4% of the stake, and government is now preparing for the disinvestment. And for any such shares, the disinvestment news is very good, I will say. So the news is good, the market is going good, the metal sector is rallying, and guess what? Who is gonna buy this stake? So there's a some news, and the Vedanta Group senior top level authority has also confirmed that they are looking to buy a majority stake in Hindustan Copper. Yes, a majority stake. So that will be definitely a good call for both of the stocks, I will say. So if you are an investor and you are still holding the Hindustan Copper, I will say hold it. So our first target of 150 rupees is completed within one day only, and the second target will be, as I already told, it will be 166 rupees and 35 paisa. So those who have watched our previous video, I'm sure that they would have like benefited in this stock by entering at the right levels, as the stock was giving a beautiful flag pattern. So yes, it was looking good charts on chart, and it proved it. And still a major portion of rally is still left in this stock, and yes, we will hold this stock until we see any red correction or any bull. As you can see, the its previous highs was something around 188 rupees, which is quite high, I will say, and stock has full potential to regain its previous high. So yes, it's a very good investment for you. And also the news sector and the metal sector is rallying, as you already know this news now ki the government is planning for disinvestment, and if any whenever government plans for disinvestment, the stock rallies. This has already proved also. I will attach the Economic Times article link in description so you can read in your free time. So yes, this is it. I am if you find our work to be something that we are doing something good, and you have any knowledge, or you think that you got some knowledge from it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel. We are a new channel and we need your support to grow. So please subscribe it and like it, and we will bring some more important videos for you so that you never miss out the opportunities, and you can learn stock market about in a more better way. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.